Hello everyone, this is Paris. Welcome to Budgetholics. A few days ago, I uploaded a video for which you can find a link here and down in the description, sharing with you 5 things I'm no longer buying to save money. However, today I thought about making a video with a more positive note. Instead, I'll talk to you about 5 things I bought to save and make money. If you're interested in personal finance, budgeting, and reaching financial freedom, feel free to hit the like and subscribe button to keep posted whenever I upload a new video. This is free for you and it's a great way to support the channel. Investments such as real estate, stocks, bonds, cryptocurrencies are of course things you can buy to make money. However, for the purpose of this video, I'm focusing on little everyday stuff. Without further ado, let's jump right into the list. For those of you who have watched the previous video, I may have hinted towards the first item on the list, and that's a coffee maker. You can buy a coffee maker for $25. However, let's assume you'll splurge on a $50 coffee maker. I personally drink 2 cups a day. Assuming you buy your coffee from a store, a reasonable price would be $3 a cup. Reasonable, according to the store of course. But making your coffee at home, it's much cheaper. A typical cup of coffee brewed at home costs around 20 cents. By comparing those two metrics, you break even at week 2 and you save around $38.24 each week by splitting the cost of a coffee maker equally. That equates to $165.7 a month and $1,988 a year, assuming you drink as much coffee as I do. So that's the first $165 a month saved. Jumping on to number 2, we've got water bottles and water filters. I've tried having a water bottle with a filter, but it didn't work for me. However, again, let's look at some numbers. Health experts recommend that we drink 2 liters or 0.5 gallons of water a day. This means 60 liters or around 15 gallons a month. According to Statista, the average monthly water bill for a 4-person household is $72.93 every month. On Walmart, a 10-pack of Dasani water costs $14.85 and it will last one person 2.5 days. In comparison, a Brita Pitcher costs $27.99 and a pack of 6 Brita filters, which will last you a year, costs $17.99. Again, if we compare the numbers here, you break even in the first month, saving $101.44 a month, which equates to around $1,217 a year. Throw in an extra water bottle, which costs $16.99, and you can round it up to $1,200 a year. And you can also use this water bottle to pack your coffee from home. In this way, you don't only save money, but you also reduce the plastic you're using. You can also choose to install a whole house filter and filter the water you're using to cook, bathe, and so on. Check out how good the water is in your area and you can act accordingly. I'm not a health expert, so don't take my word as a given. Also, I'm not a financial advisor and this video is for education purposes only. I'm just sharing what I did and what works for me. So we've saved an additional $101 a month from water. Item number 3 is light bulbs, specifically LED light bulbs. I found a pretty concise article on Dense Garden, for which you can find the link down in the description. A traditional light bulb, also called an incandescent light bulb, requires 60 watts of energy, while a LED light bulb requires 10 watts of energy for the same output. The initial cost of an incandescent light bulb is around $1, while a LED light bulb by the same manufacturer is around $1.5. In comparison, the LED light bulb has a lifespan 50 times larger than an incandescent light bulb. Assuming that you're using a light bulb 3 hours a day, a single incandescent light bulb will cost you $8.89 in the first year, while a LED light bulb will cost you $2.81. In the second year, you'll have to buy a second incandescent light bulb, hence the cost will be the same, while the LED light bulb will last more. The average American house has 40 to 45 light bulbs. I counted the light bulbs in my home and the number is 42. I decided to make the switch towards LED light bulbs and here's why. Although the initial cost is higher, you break even in the second month. During the first year, you will be saving around $20 a month. During the second year, you'll be saving $25 a month. So your total savings for year 1 will be $223, while the total amount you will have saved by year 2 is $526. Granted, I was expecting that the numbers would be much sexier. Nonetheless, this is $20 to $25 saved every month for just buying more energy efficient light bulbs. Number 4 on the list is a dashcam. You can buy a dashcam from Amazon from $20 to $25. And given the demographic of this channel, the first type of person who can use a dashcam is young drivers. In many countries, insurance providers may give you a discount if you agree to install a dashcam on your car. Car insurance for young driver is even more expensive, and this could easily save you $20 a month depending on your age. A second obvious advantage is that the dashcam can be used to settle disputes between drivers. Many of you must have been in a crash with another driver, fighting for whose fault it was. So you end up waiting for the insurance company and you rely on them to decide who is responsible. A dashcam could give you the facts you need to back up your claim. And you can of course avoid fraudulent insurance claims. We've all seen videos on YouTube of people in bicycles or pedestrians falling on cars and then demanding to get paid. All those videos were shot on dashcams. And this is footage that in most countries will hold up in court. The last use of a dashcam is while a car is parked. We've all let our car in a parking garage to end up finding it nicked. Although most parking lots will have CCTV, installing a dashcam is an extra layer of security so you don't end up paying for someone else's bad driving. And finally, education. This includes a wide array of items you can buy or services you can purchase. The first and obvious one is YouTube, like this video. You can watch videos on YouTube on a wide array of fields. It costs you literally nothing other than hitting the like button. I don't make the rules. Secondly, you can buy books on anything. However, sometimes you need to prove that you know what you learned. So a third thing you can buy in terms of education is online courses. Of course, I'm not talking about courses promising you how to make $1,000 a day from Forex. However, there are many reliable websites such as Coursera that won't only educate you on a subject, but they will also provide you with a certification indicating you have taken a specific course. Many of those courses are in partnership with universities, so if you want something to strengthen your CV, that's what I would go for. Finally, a plain vanilla education investment is university or college. However, as with any other investment, make sure that what you're paying will pay you back. Spending $100,000 on a sociology degree most likely will never end up making you this money back. Fields like law, engineering, finance, medicine, they're the good money makers at the moment. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I'd love to hear your thoughts on what items you've bought to save and make money, and what you think of the items on this list. Until we meet again, don't stop investing.